Hello everyone, welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Instagram username. Unlike most social media platforms, Instagram allows you to change your username. Whether you have actually changed your name or just fancied something different for a while, it's quick and easy to alter your Instagram username. But remember that your display name is different from your official Instagram username. Usernames just separate users from users. Thus, you cannot have the same username as another user on Instagram. While your display name can be anything you want it to be, and it doesn't have to be unique. You can even add special characters and emojis to your display name to spice it up. So let's see how to change your username on Instagram. In your Instagram app, head to your profile page in the lower right corner and tap the Edit Profile option. Now tap the username field and simply overtype in your new handle. If the username you want is already in use, you can't select that username. So retry different variations until you find a username that's close to the one you want. Then click on Done and your username has been updated. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon on our channel so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.